Stick around to hear about 5 really useful YouTube channels that you can use to improve your football English and learn to speak fluent football. Hello everybody, thank you for joining me. If you're new here, my name is Matt and I am an English teacher. I specialize in working with football coaches and others in the football industry to help them with their English skills. Today, I want to share with you 5 YouTube channels that I think you should subscribe to and watch regularly if you are looking to improve your English in the world of football. Firstly, let's just look at why you should spend some time watching these channels. There are really 2 main reasons. Number 1, spending time watching videos can really help you with your vocabulary. When you watch these videos, you'll hear and learn new words and phrases, and you'll also hear words and phrases that you're already a little familiar with, but you'll become more familiar with them and more confident with them. And eventually you will feel more confident to use these words when you speak. Number 2, it's really useful to improve your listening skills. Having conversations and communicating with somebody is almost impossible if you can't understand what they are saying. So you really should spend some time practicing listening to different voices, different people speaking English, particularly about football. This will help your communication a lot. These 2 things, vocabulary and listening skills, are absolutely vital to being able to speak fluently in English. So now that that is explained, let's have a look at the channels. Number 1, this is one of my favorite channels. I watch it all the time. I check it out regularly, and I really think you should too. It is Football Meta. This channel does a lot of deep dives on analysis for different teams and the formations and strategies they use. There is a lot of effort put into each video, and you will definitely hear and learn a lot of useful phrases and vocabulary when you watch these. A really good thing about it is that they often have subtitles with the videos to help you understand. So that is a really good one to help you. You should go check it out. Number 2 is another one that I watch all the time. I really watch it regularly. It's called Tifo Football. This channel discusses everything related to football. There are videos about tactics, business, history, and more. The production value is very high. They put a lot of time and effort into these videos, and the narrator of their videos has a very clear way of speaking, which is perfect for a non-native speaker. Again, they often have subtitles to help you. You'll learn a lot of words, a lot of vocabulary, and really improve your listening skills with this channel. Another channel you'll find very useful, especially for coaches, is Modern Soccer Coaching. This is a channel aimed directly at coaches, so if that's you, you need to check it out. There are videos on tactics, training sessions, and drills that you can learn from, so it's all very practically very useful for coaches. You probably need to have a pretty high level of English to watch this channel, just because the presenter has a pretty strong Irish accent, which is actually very good if you want to push yourself or test your skills, and if you maybe want to work in Ireland or an English-speaking country, that could be very useful, but it might be a little difficult for lower-level learners. Channel number 4 I recommend you checking out is Simply Soccer. This channel does a lot of videos with tips and advice for players. You can learn a lot of the words and phrases used for talking about specific actions on the pitch. They also do videos on player analysis, so again, that's a great resource for a scout or someone who needs to discuss the strengths and weaknesses of a player. And finally, the last one that I recommend is a channel called 442. Obviously named for the classic formation, this channel has a lot of interesting content. They put together their own documentaries and they have interviews with some big name footballers that you can check out. If that's your sort of thing, go and have a look at it. So there you are, guys. There's 5 YouTube channels you can use to improve your English and become fluent in football. Remember, the more you practice, the more time you put in, the quicker you will develop. So make sure you schedule some time each week to really dedicate to practicing your listening skills and learning those new words and phrases. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget, if you found this useful, hit the like and subscribe buttons. Make sure that you get all the future content, and it helps me out a lot. Cheers, guys. Have a good one.